Meaning of free throw.
Free throw.
Free throw.
Free throw.
Free throw. A free throw is a shot in basketball that is awarded to a player following a foul by the opposing team. The player receives the ball at the free throw line and attempts to shoot it into the basket without any defensive interference from the other team. Each successful free throw earns the player 1 point. Free throws are often used as a way to penalize the opposing team for fouls and are an important part of a player's overall scoring ability. Accuracy and consistency in free throw shooting can make a significant impact on game outcomes and player performance.